So first, find the wheel that will go inside the case, right there. That's the one that will push the glass out of the case. Now find the wheel that will go over the bezel so it doesn't touch the bezel to avoid scratching or bending or damaging the bezel, as you can see right there. After you locate the two wheels, you will install them on the tool, and you are going to push gently, and you're going to hear that click, pop. There is the glass. Now to put it back in, you are going to make sure that you find a wheel that will go over the edge of the glass. That's very important to make sure that it goes in without any issues. And you will find a wheel that will go under the case. Now this glass is going almost all the way in, but you need to push them in. You position the case, make sure that that wheel is center on the edges of the glass. There you go. Now you turn that around and give it another push. And we are done.